A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. I wonder if you know, say, more than one time, Jesus did feed one whole heap of people. Think about it and go check it out. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends them. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, now the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 8 from verse 1 to verse 10. Around them time there, one another big crowd did gather up around Jesus. Them never have nothing for NYAM. So Jesus calling follower them together and say, me sorry for them people here. I will at 3 days now, them there with me. And they nah nothing for NYAM. Some of them live far, far from here, so if me send them away hungry, they might have dropped down a road. Jesus follower them say, we part nobody forget enough food in a this desert place. For full all of them people your belly. Jesus asked them, say, how much bread do you have? 7, them say. Jesus tell the crowd of people to sit down on the ground. After that, he take the 7 bread, give thanks, and broke them up, give him follower them to feed the people them. Them did have couple small fish too. Jesus take them, give God thanks, and give him follower them to feed the people them. Everybody NYAM till them belly full. And when them pick up where the left back, it full 7 basket. About 4,000 people did there. And after they don't eat, Jesus send them away. Right after him do that, him and him follower them go in a one boat and cross go Dalmanuta. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.